Hey, Steve with RV to Cycle. A recent comment leads me to a tip of the day today. And if you watch to the end of this video, there's a bonus tip. So what is our tip of the day? It has to do with water and water conservation. If you boondock frequently, or you're just concerned about conserving natural resources, then this is a video you want to watch. Stay tuned. You should always flush the spigot before you hook your hose up. So let's give it a little, just to make sure there's no critters that end up in the line. And now we'll hook up our filter and the hose. Filter and hose connected. Now it's time to flush the hose before we hook it up to the van. Already flushed the faucet. So we just turn the valve. Let a little water run out, and one-handed it's not quite as easy. And if you were watching that meter, that was 1.4 liters that flowed through there. Okay, now we're ready to hook it up. Now that it's all hooked up, turn it on, and you can see the gauge is counting down. Top number here is how much is going in with this usage, and the bottom number is total on this meter. I know that this meter needs to get to about 26 liters based on the water flow meter inside the van. And at the current flow rate of about 1/10 liter per second, doing the math tells me I have about 4 minutes to be able to go and do something else before I need to shut this off and minimize the overflow. And at 26.4 liters, it's full. Shut it off, no more overflow. Without the meter and the shutoff valve, I end up having to do this. And you can see how much water is wasted before I can get over to the hydrant and shut the thing off. And it comes out of both sides. There's 2 overflows on this. Here's the bonus tip. By using the flow meter along with the shutoff valve on your black tank flush, it allows you the opportunity to put a precise amount of water directly into your black tank after it's been emptied. This saves your onboard water for other more important use, and precision helps to better mix your black tank chemicals to improve waste digestion and odor control. I have this one set to gallons, as you can see, because I know I have a 12-gallon tank, and I know 1 gallon is going to let me mix my chemicals to the proper strength for improved digestion and odor control. Different from the freshwater, which is set on liters. My freshwater output is measured in liters, which allows me more precise control relative to water conservation. Well, that's it for today. Hope you got something out of this video. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Appreciate you watching. Look forward to seeing you next go round. Bye-bye.